when you're craving of Filipino food. Thanks to Ate Alma.
Hello.
She is always bringing us something from Philippines.
Hello.
Hello. Say thank you, Tita Alma.
Thank you, Tita Alma.
Thank you, Tita Alma. There, the toasted pastillas also. Choco mallows, crispy fry, and my favorite, peanut bars.
There's your
Boy
favorite.
bawa.
And this is my
So,
favorite.
yan. And chocolates. And of course, pastillas and all these dried fish.
They're my
Yummy and
favorite.
squid.
They're my favorite.
Oh, that is your favorite? Wow. Say thank you, Tita Alma.
Thank you, Tita Alma. And this is my favorite. And this
Then?
is my favorite.
What will you say?
Thank you, Tita Alma, for buying my favorite chocolate.
Then we have these toasted pastillas too.